Hai guys, Wanakkam, salam sejahtera, tajahau. Korang tahu tak, lepas saya dah siap video baru saya perasan saya lupa buat intro. So lepas 1 minggu sekarang saya baru buat intro balik. So it's a bit weird. Okay, anyway, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make all cucumber soup. It's a very authentic Chinese soup. TIMUN TUA ya. Kita masak soup sangat sehat untuk badan dan juga mix veggie stir fried Chinese style. But the special about video hari ini adalah saya tak akan menggunakan minyak, tak akan gunakan gula, tak akan gunakan apa-apa seasoning yang contain MSG. So ada reason kenapa saya buat video dan masakan macam ni hari ini. Tengok sampai akhir, korang mesti akan dapat jawapannya. Okay, jom kita start masak. Our dinner is ready, so let's start to eat. So actually saya sekarang on diet for I don't know for how long. I pun tak apa tu, I never fix for how long. So kalau perasan tadi masa I masak pun I tak guna minyak, tak guna gula, tak guna any oyster sauce ke soy sauce, apa semua seasoning semua saya tak guna. So I try to use minimal of all these item. So garam pun I letak sikit saja. So obviously it's a diet meal. Actually sebenarnya I tak nak share diet meal sebab I tak tahu lah actually ramai akan suka ke tak suka, tapi I just feel like once in a while I akan share diet meal saya along the way, maybe 1 bulan 2 kali ke macam tu. So maybe if you guys interested to lose weight or I mean to have a healthy lifestyle, then maybe you can hop on to my new recipes lah. So வீட்ல நீங்களும் இந்த மாதிரி ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்க. Chinese soup வந்து is a healthy option சொல்லலாம். So I don't really put much seasoning or whatever. I just use salted veggie and all cucumber, red dates and goji berries and so on. But the taste is absolutely good. Actually, I think I doesn't even have to put salt because from the salted veggie itself, it really tastes very good. So today I make very simple dish. So hope you guys also can try this at home. This Chinese all cucumber soup is something very homey and traditional soup that prepared in I mean 总之每个华人的家都会煮的一道菜啦，简单来讲。所以如果你们想念家，想念你们妈妈煮的汤，你们也可以在家煮来喝看咯。就这样子啦。今天我有一点累，所以pun tak tahu apa saya tengah cakap. Sebab maybe I macam a bit tired today. But anyway, I will keep you guys posted on my lose weight plan and also my diet meals along the way once in a while. So see you guys with another interesting veganized Malaysian recipe in coming episode. And எல்லாத்துக்கும் நன்றி, வணக்கம்.